Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Motorola Razr. You have two options, and the first one is probably the most common one, to just press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time. We're gonna do it again, and you saw it made a screenshot. The other option is to just press 3 fingers on your screen and then it also made a screenshot. You can now click on the screenshot and then just crop it, write on it, or add text to it. But you can also go to your photos and then go to your library and go to screenshots, and here you have all the screenshots you've taken, and now you can also go ahead and say edit here. So you can also do the same things as before, crop it, adjust it, write on it, add text, whatever. So that's how you make a screenshot on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.